Hey there, I am going to show you how to set up templates within Ocean databases for adding new pages to those databases to save you some time and some data entry for when you're entering new rows or new pages to a database like this one. So to add a new row or page to this database, you can click this new button up in the top right hand corner. So I'll just click that to demonstrate, and there you'll see a new page, a new row was added here, a new page opened up for me to start entering all of my information. Um, and it will add, when you click that, whatever is your set as your default template. So to see what your default template is, you just click the down arrow next to the new button, and you can see right here, this is my default template. So whatever has been set up here is what will be entered when I just click the new button. And then to change your default, you can just click these three arrows or three dots beside each template, whichever template you want. Yeah, like here, this is not the default. So if I click the three dots and I say, yeah, I want that as my default, I click that, and then it just says, do you want it for all the views? So whatever other views exist of this database elsewhere and on other pages, you can make sure it changes for everything, or only here, or cancel, which we will do right now. So that's how to see your default and change your default. And if I just enter an empty page, you'll see a page opens again, but it's like untitled. It doesn't have that icon and title of the other one. Whereas when I click just new, it enters my default and it's got an icon and just some text entered there. So that is the difference. And this is just an empty page. So to create a new template, you can click the down arrow, click new template, and you'll see this screen pop up. You'll see at the top, you're editing a template. So whatever you create and add in here will be your template. So then moving forward, each time you choose it or click new here, the new button, it will enter all that data you've put here in the template. So I'm just going to say this is a new template, and add an icon, a different icon, and just to demonstrate this. So then, and say just every time I wanted to add a new page, I always wanted the author's name to be Michelle Gilbert. Just making that up. So it's going to auto save. You don't need to click save anywhere. It's just, this is my new template. Okay, there we go. So every time I add a row or page to this database, all this information will already be there. So let's close that. And we can see now when we click the down arrow, that new template I saved is there. I'll click it, and there it is. So now Michelle Gilbert is the author there, and I have my icon and my title. So you can do that for any and all of the properties you have in the database. Whatever you always want to show up, just enter it on the template and it will be there. So, and then again, if you want to make this your default, you can just click the three arrows, set as default, and I'm just going to say sure for all views, whatever. And there you go. So that is a handy, quick way to enter data that's consistent or always being entered, right? So I hope that was a helpful overview for you of the template option.